a YouTuber Arman Malik entered reality show Bigg Boss OTT 3 with his two wives, Payal and Kritika. This is called bigamy. Now, bigamy essentially is an act of marrying a person while already being married to someone else. And I know you're all wondering, is this actually legal in India? So in India, bigamy is generally prohibited and considered a criminal offence under the Indian Penal Code. It's Section 494 of the IPC that prescribes up to 7 years in prison, a fine, or even both for anyone who marries again while their spouse is still alive. If someone hides their first marriage and gets married again, they can be punished with up to 10 years in prison under Section 495 of the Indian Penal Code. Most personal laws, such as the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, the Christian Marriage Act of 1872, and the Special Marriages Act of 1954, also prohibit bigamy and declare second marriages void if one spouse is already married. But there are exceptions. The Muslim personal law permits a Muslim man to have up to 4 wives simultaneously, provided that he treats all wives equally. Additionally, there are some tribal communities in India that are exempt from the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, allowing them to practice polygamy due to cultural traditions and protections. Arman Malik isn't the only one. India has a list of known faces with multiple spouses and partners. Dharmendra, for example. Dharmendra, who was already married to Prakash Kaur with 4 children, still married Hema Malini in 1980 without divorcing Prakash. Reports suggest that he adopted Islam to marry Hema Malini without legally ending his first marriage. Then there's Salim Khan, who married Helen without divorcing his first wife Salma. Despite initial challenges, he managed to maintain both marriages. Raj Babbar too was married to Nadira when he met Smita Patil. He married Smita without divorcing his first wife, though they had separated. Mahesh Bhatt married Soni Razdan without divorcing his first wife Lorraine Bright. Although they had drifted apart, they never officially divorced. Mahesh reportedly changed his religion so he could marry Soni Razdan. Udit Narayan, another name who's faced legal issues after marrying Deepa Gahatraj without acknowledging his first wife Ranjana Jha. He later reconciled and agreed to give Ranjana her rightful place alongside Deepa. Then there's Arjun Lal Meena. In October 2022, a viral photo showed Udaipur MP Arjun Lal Meena celebrating Karwa Chauth with 2 wives who are sisters. Meena, being a tribal, is exempt from the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, which prohibits polygamy for Hindus. So what he's done, marrying 2 women, is legal.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.